Hey guys, Woolaway here from WoolawayWx. I'm going to start this out a little bit different. Last night in Denver, Colorado, um, Mason Lowe, professional bull rider, had a bull step on his chest, and when they rushed him to the emergency room, he was pronounced, or he passed away. They're local from Exeter, graduated from Exeter High School in 2012. Been bull riding his entire life. So you guys just want to keep him or his wife and his family in prayers right now. They need it. No, I never got to meet him personally, but I do watch him. Or I did watch him on TV anyways. So if you guys want to keep him in prayers, please do. But I'm going to continue on here. Okay, so we are looking at what is likely to happen in the next coming days. Tonight there is a chance of showers moving into the area. We're not worrying about any freezing over. So everything should be good for tonight. As I'm going to run through weather story here. This is just the first of one system that's going to be moving through the area. I do know up north of I-70, they are expecting some freezing rain tonight. If I can get this to load. So if I don't think I have very many viewers from up there in that area, but if you are, be careful. So I'm just gonna run through all this here. So this is through 6 a.m. Friday here. So as you guys can see, we're not gonna get that much rainfall. It's got us about at 1/10 of an inch in the area. So here's your fog risk map. So it looks like farther up north you are, more of a chance out by Ava along the I-60 corridor, or the US 60 corridor going out there to where it meets 63 at. You got some fog chances. So just be wary. This is the rapid refresh model. Let me pull up the Midwest here. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. I do get the notifications, so ask away. I will gladly answer. And once this is uploaded, I'll probably do a Facebook Live tonight also. Just to, because debating on which one to do, and I just figured I should just do both. So here is your rapid refresh model. It doesn't run very far, but it does give us a better idea of what we are expecting. As I was saying earlier, you see the freezing rain there north of I-70 there. That's not I-70, but there's your I-70 corridor. As I was saying, north here, and then you got your night snow band there. There is a winter weather advisory out for I failed. Out for this area right up through here for the freezing rain. So just keep that in mind. If you are north of I-70, if you're south, we're just looking at rain so far. So that right there is midnight. And then it clears out during the day, Thursday. So there's that. I'm going to switch to a different model run now. So we can look at a few different model runs and some different snow accumulation mounts. While this is booting up, they do have a donate page for Mason Lowe from the National Western Stock Show, partnered with the PBR Velocity Tour. If you guys go to the nationalwestern.com, it is one of the key highlights on there. Just click it, and then you can go down here, type your dollar amount in. If you want to donate, just make sure to keep the family in their prayers. So this is going to give us a better idea of what we are looking at in the farther run hours. So this is what we got going on Saturday. It looks like mainly snow, which is good. Kind of a heavier little bit right there, coming down about an inch and 1.2 inches an hour. That's pretty good for snow. So you see, then we got a nice little band that wants to move in on Tuesday. So as soon as we recover from this weekend one, there'll be one on Tuesday, and then we have another one at the end of the week. As you can see, a lot of these are taking this kind of route. So that's how come us in Southwest Missouri are not getting that much, because there is high pressure down that way, and it's just pushing everything up. And this is actually a trough right here, so it actually heads back up if the map were to keep going. That's how come the New England area is going to get hit pretty hard by some of these snow systems. So I'm going to exit out of this, and we will go look at total snow accumulation. So I'm going to just run through here. As you can see here, like I said, there's not that much snow here in northern Missouri with this system tonight. But here is what we are actually looking at. A lot of it's really going away. There's just not very much for Southwest Missouri again. I imagine, because this was all a lot bigger yesterday, I imagine by tomorrow and Friday, this will not be here. You can mark my words on that. We might not even get anything. I do know that the Wheaton Robodogs are helping at a robotics meet in Monette, and by the looks of this, it looks like we're going to have it. This is the total snow accumulation, so this is a 10-to-1 water ratio. If I go in here and took a look at the Kircher method, it's a little bit different. But once again, not that much snow. Which is good. It looks like up here, not sure where all that's at. North of Kansas City, you're looking at about 7.3 inches. But down here, just a dusting. So, here there's about almost to Rolla there. There is a 5.2 area that will dissipate as we move closer. Well, there's pretty much all that. I'll run through the snow ratio here. Hope there's someone on here that knows more about the whole snow to liquid ratio than I do, because I'm not that big onto the snow liquid ratio. So I'm going to say that's going to be, that comes down with the cold air that we were talking about. Actually, I'll pull up that temperature map. So everyone is warning everyone about really cold temperatures. Well, good news is it has backed off. It's not going to be coming down so far. Now, if you are in Arrowhead this weekend for the Chiefs and Patriots game, go Chiefs. It might get a little chilly. So there is midnight. So, I mean, we're looking at like 23 degrees down here in the Southwest. That is the number one reason how come we are not going to get that much snow. Is this polar, I don't want to call it vortex, but it's a vortex, is not dropping as far south as they were forecasting, which in turn means there is not going to be that much cold air to transform that rain into snow. So I'd be surprised if we get anything. It definitely won't mount up to much. Ground should still be pretty warm from the rain, and the rain's going to help kind of not let the snow accumulate very much. So we got that going. So, guys, just make sure to keep Mason Lowe's family in your prayers, especially his wife. Keep all the bull riders in your prayer that are going to be in the National Western Stock Show this evening out in Denver again. And once again, if you guys go to nationalwestern.com, they do have a donate page for Mason Lowe. I don't know if it's true or not, but I heard something else was popped up for donation wise. About an hour ago, they did a press conference and they were already at 80,000. But no amount of money is going to make up for Mason. Just from what I saw and what I know, he was a really good guy. And he's one that's going to be missed here in Southwest Missouri. So if you guys want to keep them in your prayers, and just don't forget about him. He's something that Southwest Missouri should be proud of. No matter if he's up in heaven competing in bull riding or if he's down here. So, all right, well, just keep in mind, guys. Just keep praying for Mason Lowe. He needs it. He really does. So, well, thank you guys for watching, and just keep him in your prayers. Thank y'all.